Yo, what's good, guys? I'm just going over. I'm possibly about to take this gold trade right now. Um, I'm looking for this high to be ran and for it to come into this bearish order block. I do have a sell limit, and I'm looking for this up candle to hold. And the 62% retracement, which is OTE, ICT's OTE. I do want to see a sell off from here because we are reacting from this up candle right now, which is like a reversal fractal. I don't know if we can go lower. I don't know how low we can go. I know this is kind of like a little counter trend, but I think we can get down to these equal lows down here, if possibly take those out just to go higher. I do want to more so sell above here, right inside of here. So you know, gold is kind of tempting me right now to sell, which I'm about to sell, and just, you know, accept the risk. So we'll see what happens. I'm looking for this whole up candle to hold. My stops are just a little bit tight. Usually I like to keep it above the 79 at least, or up here above this high right of this swing. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully this up candle can hold, and we could get a nice little displacement lower, and I'm a most likely TP around like a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Yeah, around there. Maybe even if we take out this low right here, take the 1 to 3 partial, and then 1 to 5, and then 1 to 8.5 or 1 to 8. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. So see you guys in the next slide. Well, this isn't a presentation, but you know, you get what I'm saying. All right, so we just got tagged in. Let me see. Kind of added in the spread just to make sure I got tagged in. So we'll see. Let me see. Yep. So we're tagged in. We'll see if we can get a displacement lower. I do want to see this whole up candle hold, and you know, tank lower. So you know, wish me luck on this trade. Hey, follow the same plan, same rules. Doesn't matter. No emotions in this trade right now. Whatever it does, it does it. You know what I mean? I'm following my same plan. I'm doing the same thing over and over again. So yeah. So I'll most likely TP if it does have a displacement lower. I'll most likely TP a good amount around this low right here, because it's a lot safer. Or a 1 to 5. I might hold it to the 1 to 5 to come into this little inefficiency right here, and at least run some of this liquidity that's been resting all inside of here. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let me mark that up. All right, so yeah, right here, maybe get to this low, TP a good amount of volume. I don't hold a lot of volume all the way into my final target, because you never know when the market might go against you. So yeah, so let's see what you do, go. See you guys in the next slide. All right, so we're experiencing just a little bit of drawdown. You can see how like we kept wicking into it and then dropping lower. If you go to a 1 minute time frame, you can see that there's a stop point breaker structure fractal on this time frame. I want to see this up candle hold and then continue down. If we break, then I know that it could be possibly that we could come higher for my stop loss, because I do want to see this 3 minute up candle hold, maybe the wick. We'll see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Just holding the trade, accept the risk. See you guys on the next. And we just got stopped out. You know, gotta live with it. It could continue lower. Okay, so we did use this as inducement. I think we could get a continuation down right now. I'm not currently into the trade currently, so I'm gonna just wait for a little bit of confirmation. I think we could blow through this high. If I do get back into this trade, it's gonna be half risk, and if I lose that one, I'm gonna just call it a day. I don't really see much going on other pairs right now. EU is at a discount and it's buying back up, but it's not much going on right now. So if there's nothing that happens with gold right here, then I'm gonna just call this Monday a day and let it go. All right, so we'll see what happens. Let's see if it does give anything. Let me see right here. So we kind of created like equal highs right here. It could be like a run up and then a run down, and then I'll hop in with half my risk and see if I can make back what I lost today and maybe a little bit more, and then call that a day. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I tried to enter right around here, but I didn't get my lots ready in time. So let's see if we could get a run up again. I'm gonna just re-enter right here with half risk and see what price does inside of there. I want to see this 5 minute kind of close just a little bit more closer to these lows, and then just see a little Judah swing up on that next 5 minute candle and then print lower. Yeah, that's what I kind of want to see. I wanted to try to get this entry though right there, but it's fine. Yeah, so I'll wait. Let's see, 5 minute. Yeah, if we run up to this one more time, I'll enter. All right, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so I just re-entered right there with half risk. Whatever this trade does, win or lose, I'm gonna call it a day. Stops are right above here, and we'll see if we could get a displacement lower on this next 5 minute candle. Possibly use all this as inducement, this as well. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully this can hold. Maybe this 15 minute can stay as a rejection, and then we can continue down. We'll see. All right. Oh, there we go. We're dying now. Nice. Let's see if we could keep that momentum going. First TP is down here. 1 to 4. Let's do a 1 to 4. Make back what we lost, and plus that extra 1%, and then we'll aim for these lows down here to possibly be taken out. Yeah, I like that. So we'll see what happens. As you can see, we're still kind of respecting the OTE. So you see OTE right here. We're still kind of respecting that right now. I do want to see this up candle hold now. I don't want to see any closes above any, none of that. I just want to see us, maybe we could pull back just a little bit into the up candle and then continue down. I just want to see us displace from here, especially if this is inducement. If all this is just inducement, right? I just would like to see us have a displacement. Yeah, man, we're getting it today, man. Hey, remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, all right? So if you go smack an old lady for $10, you know the drill. Oh man. All right, yeah, so there's the 15 minute candle. Nice flip bearish. Hopefully it could close like this, and then the next 2 minute next 15 minute candle can just die, you know what I mean, just for us. You know what I'm saying? Just for us. So it did come up all the way up into this premium. Stop me out, but that's fine. Keep following the plan. Losses, they don't bother me. They shouldn't bother you. So because you get, you might get a better move on the next trade, and everything will be just fine. Everything will be a-okay. Don't worry about a thing. You know what I'm saying? Everything's gonna be good. So like I was saying, win or lose, I'm done for the day. It doesn't matter what this trade does at this point. You know what I mean? Let me do my trade management, right? All right, so trade management right now, once we break this low, I'm gonna just go break even. I'm gonna aim for this low to be taken out. Like I said, 1 to 4, take a good amount out, and then leave it to run. Yeah, leave it to run all the way down here to this 1 to 8, and then we could pick up a good amount of money. You know what I'm saying? So all right, I'll see you guys in the next. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so we completely died the fuck off. I'm gonna stop to break even right now and get ready to TP take some partials. All right, let's see. Okay, stops at break even and record. Okay, 5. I'm aiming for 5R since this is like really dying. You know what I mean? Let's see. Point. What's my lot? Okay, 1.52 times 0.80. 1.21. So I'm pulling out 1.21 lots out of this position once we get below here. All right. Let's go to the 5 minute. So yeah, look at that die off. So all this was just inducement. So I got induced on the first trade. Remember I said it could have possibly been inducement and come all the way up here, and that's exactly what it did, and it got me. But you know, that's fine. Our second try worked out pretty well. A lot of people, they would like take partials right here. I'm waiting for this. Since this is half risk, I'm waiting for a little bit more. If I was in full risk right now, I would have took some partials like around here, but I'm gonna wait until we get down into this low, especially because of this move. Like, this move is just beautiful. It's a lot of momentum. It's not playing around, so I think we could reach just a little bit more. Maybe in this next 5 minute candle we could get up into there, and then I'm gonna pull out majority of what I risked. Close 1.21. 1.21. What was it? Oh, yeah, 1.216. So this trade is risk free. Once we get here, I'm gonna close out a good amount of partials, and then leave the rest to run all the way here. I might take out, leave just like a little small runner, even if we get down to here, to possibly come all the way below, at least to like a 1 to 15 type shit. We could even reach all the way down here, so we'll see what happens. All right, so we stocking my TP right now, my first TP, and we just gonna let this shit run. Once this gets hit, once we take out this low again, I'm most likely gonna take this out. All right, almost there. If we reject again, I'm gonna just take it. All right, I'm gonna take it right here. All right, I'm gonna take it right here. There we go. All right, so first TP here, and we're gonna leave this runner all the way down to these relative equal lows down here, and I'm gonna take some more out, and then possibly leave another runner to go lower, or I'm gonna just take the whole thing out, because I got basically 0.20% still running. So 0.20 times 8, so that'll give me another 1.6 R for the day if we do get down here. So I might just take it, you know what I mean, and that'll just put me up a good amount for today, put me up 2R for today, even though I took a L on this first gold sell. So let's get it. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so right now we're just rebalancing this little move right here. So, you know, price just doesn't like go down one way. You know, it has to rebalance, fill in some inefficiencies, and then continue down. The reason why I got this arrow right here is because it could come above this up candle right here, and then not this up candle, this down candle right here, and then continue down, because it's a little bit of inefficiency inside. You see how this whole thing is just imbalanced, so it could just come in and rebalance it just a little bit and continue down, or even come up a little bit deeper and continue down. It doesn't matter. I expect this whole from this high to low to hold, so I don't expect my break even to get hit, and I expect us to move lower. So yeah, no matter what happens, we made back what we lost today, well, what I lost, and we'll make a lot more if this shit can tank. If you haven't yet, go ahead and smash that like button, and you know, share the video right now if you're really enjoying this type of video. All right, thank you. All right, so price is retracing back up. It just came into that area. Here's a 30-minute up candle right here. I'm expecting this whole up candle to hold. One thing that I do like about this as well, for delivery purposes, is that, excuse me, I'm over here eating sunflower seeds. When price came up to this area and reacted off of here and had a displacement lower, you can see how the candles never closed above this propulsion candle, which is pretty nice. So what this could do is come into OTE of this swing right here, which is coming up to right now. Hopefully it can respect OTE and then have another displacement lower. But if it doesn't, then you know, we still made back what we lost today, and you know, everything is good, everything is well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this fib. I'm gonna keep this one on, and we can see what happens. And yeah, now this right here could be a re-entry, but I already took my 2 positions for the day. Sometimes I take 3, but you know, it's a Monday and don't want to get too greedy, you know what I'm saying? So this could be a re-entry right here, and I'm ready at OT, and we could expect a displacement lower. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Like I said, we got our money out of this, plus some. So but I do want this, you know, who doesn't want this shit? If you're in this trade, you will want this to tank lower, you know. So yeah, keep you guys updated. Yo, you guys see this reaction? That's a nice reaction right here. Nice rejection, but will we have a displacement lower? That would be crazy if we did just, you know, start displacing lower and just run, you know. That would be nice. I have an alert set right here, so I'm about to go handle some other business and, you know, chill a little bit, and then once we get here down here, I'll come back to the charts, or if we get around there, I'll come back to the charts. So yes sir. Okay, so price decided to, you know, have another displacement lower after the OTE, as you can see. The power of the OTE right here. All right, 62.79. Nice little displacement. I'm definitely looking for this low to get taken out. If you're in gold right now, say if you was to take this right here, low hanger fruit TP would be here. If you took another sell here, the low hanging fruit would be these lows right here, but I can see us getting down here, like I said as well. So keep your eyes glued on this low, these lows right here, double bottom. You know that long-term buyers are holding their stops right here. This is too clean, and I know most likely this is going to get ran, especially because from this high to this low, this is just a swing, and this is a weak low compared to this high, which is a protected high. All right, strong high. So Yeah, this low should be high probability is gonna be taken. If not, your low hanging fruit was here. You can even could have TP like right there before it even tried to take it out. A lot of times I like to TP before it takes out a low, because sometimes it'll respect you know, the support, you know, because, you know, like support and resistance gets respected a lot too, you know what I mean? So like when price comes up to an area, before it runs that high of the support and resistance, it could respect like the rejection block of it, you know what I mean? So I like the TP before, a lot of times before it takes out any type of lows. So yeah, but as you can see, we're getting a nice little trade, and this is how, you know, you take losses like a pro, and you still win at the end of the day because you're still following your plan, you know what I mean? I took a loss like a pro, and now I'm winning, you know what I mean? So everything is gonna be good. You don't have to stress or fear these markets, you know what I mean? No stressing, no none of that. So I'll see you guys in the next update. Okay, so right now I'm just I just moved my stop loss right here, a little bit more in profit. I don't expect it to come all the way up here at all before we reach here, this sell side objective. We really don't want to see any more deep retracements. So if you was like in this little swing right here, you really wouldn't want to see no extra retracements, because you have a retracement here and you have a retracement here. You got two of them, right? Two mitigations, quote unquote mitigations, it reaching into like buy side objective. So now we should just get to sell side objective, which is your low hanging fruit right here, and then these relative equal lows. All right, so we got the low hanging fruit with these lows right here, which was just a break and retest, support turned into resistance turned into support right here, and then a push up. So we just took this out. Now the next objective is these relative equal lows right here, and that will be my full TP. I'm most likely not gonna hold all the way down there, which it can get all the way down here, but I'm gonna just take my profit right here, and then, you know, call it a nice little trade. I mean, my day is already finished, so I was gonna say call it a nice little day. My trade is already finished. Stops in profit, already got some profit out of this. So yeah, we just letting it go right now. So see you guys in the next update. One more thing, as you can see, like you see how we didn't have a deep retracement. We had this little 15-minute candle come up, rebalance, right, and then push down. We didn't get any deep retracements. That's what you don't want to see for it to be favorable to take out sell side objective. You just want to see fair value gaps get left, little rebalances, and then continuations down, especially when you already have this happen right here, which I explained in the earlier updates. Okay, so we're almost to terminus. We should get there right about now. Not right about now, I'm saying, like, you know, we should get there. I might just TP the rest of my position where it's at right now and just call it a day, because like I said, you don't know if it's gonna completely come and take this out. It could respect this whole thing, like, you know, like a support and resistance type area, and then, you know, go up. But yeah, we should take out this low. That's what I would expect. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna TP, what's that, like a 1-7. Nah, I might hold it. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and TP the rest of my position right here, and then if the rest runs, then it runs, and then call it a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, share the video if you would like, and if you would like me to do more of these, hey man, you know, let me know. And yeah, like the video for the algorithm. It really helps me grow. and I could do a lot more of these videos. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace. I'm out.